Good morning, January 20th, 2025. Coper, good morning. I saw you were on J channel this morning, weren't you? I was going to say, hey, I saw you put something in chat or something. Said good morning. Zero Day J. Gotta make sure did I get to the right one? Yeah. All right, we had a little news this morning. See if I can find what I'm looking for here. Maybe not. Buying? No, not yet. Oh, I'm just getting set up. I got a couple things more to set up. All right. Nope, no buying yet. Maybe now. I'll wait for one little more move up. Yeah, not yet. It's not quite ready. Worked all weekend on this little cloud system. Got a nice little cloud indicator. It actually gives you a good green red color. I am working on a trend also. But it doesn't look too bad. What do you think, Coper? You like it? No wonder that was so funky. The 888 system came down to support here. See where we're at on the big picture, the hour chart. And we're above CPR. We came down and tested it this morning on that news event. I don't even know what it was. Don't really care. We ran into smack dab into a 4-hour fair value gap right up in here. And then we got the bear zone right above that, 719.25 to 784 with targets up above that. And there's your first target up here, right around 810. and that prior wick, and then right up here. $15-minute looks like she's bouncing up. Oh, I missed that trade, didn't I? Pretty much. Yeah, too late. I didn't get my thing set up here. I'll work on it. Okay. There we go. I'm actually going to put my target up here at the bear zone. So I'm going to shoot for somewhere around here, 717. This is my funded futures evaluation. You can see that's where I took it. See if we get up there. Here we go. All right, 15-minute, what do we got? We got that news event, and we're going high. I was kind of hoping this candle would have been green, but that's where I lost a little bit of money on that guy. We're going above Friday's high, 682. I'm looking for 615. That's my target. Could go a little bit higher. I think we'll get right up here. So I'm shot for, I think I set it for 17 now. 1650. We'll see. That 3-minute chart, we came down to the bottom of the flat, or the bottom of the 18, or at the hit the 18 EMA, and then bounced up. I like my little cloud. Looks pretty good. All right, I'm long. I'm looking for 1650, maybe 17. And I got long at 684, just not showing up here. I wasn't quite set up yet. I might need to. Yep. Let's see where I want to go. Alright, I got out of that trade. I'll wait for open now. Got about 3 minutes. Oh, here we go. It closes till, or it opens, I think, till 12. It's either 12 or 1. I can't remember. I won't be in that long. Let's see. And I got a few emails on it. All right, we got 2 minutes left still. I must have deleted them all. Yeah, 1 p.m. Thanks, Lewis. I thought it was 12 or 1. I'm going to be out before that, so it's going to be slow. That was who knows what the move will be, even if we get anything at open. And it'll be a soft open, too, I think. Let's see. I don't know if I can. Here we go. There's open. Wait for the 1 minute opening here. Let's see what happens here. We're in the bear zone, so this could be ugly. I'll pick it back up there. Yeah, maybe we're going to break that low there. A little slower pace today. Took that long there. Wow, we're pretty close, pretty tight on oh, I need to check it against YouTube. Now about 4 seconds off. Slow day today. Alright, so we went up above bear zone here, making a move to the upward direction so far. 1 minute chart or 2 minute chart, pretty much the same thing. 3 minute, it was a good long down here. I took it, got out before market, got out before the bear zone. A lot of times you'll get a rejection here. We did not. And then 5 minute, showing pretty good momentum up. Same with the 15. I'm not sure what the news event was. Still haven't really seen it. Haven't really looked. Let's go with, let's see. News? What happened to news? Huh. Well, my news channel went out. I'll have to get that back. No news? 5:30 there was no news? Let's see. Because right at 8:30, man, we got that nice move up. Oh, I was talking about the 8:30 news. Sorry, those. All right, if I get that, that'll give me about 50. I'm going to look over here on the hour chart. What am I worried about? I'm worried about this red line up here. Other than that, I'm not worried about much, other than being in the bear zone. Okay. Wow. So that was just a, I mean, it went Well, as we can see on the charts, just it went kind of berserk. But there was that 650 to down to 530. So man, 120 points, something like that. It's crazy. Luckily, I wasn't in anything. I was playing around. All right, up like 600 on this eval. Just a continuation. 760, that's what you're looking for? Gotcha. All right, I'll keep my target at 770, and that's just because it's 50 points, that's all. But I'll bring my stop up. Oh, how about if I show it? I'll bring my stop up when we get to 760 and see what kind of reaction we get. Yeah. No, that's fine. Look, I respect everybody's decision, man, or everybody's thought process, right? So if you say 760, I'm looking at 760. Because you're probably looking at something I'm not even thinking about. You know what I'm saying? So I just use is a good word. You know, if somebody says something, I try to take that into consideration, what I'm doing. Yeah. I mean, I may or may not act on it, right? I mean, that's fair, right? Just like you with me, hopefully, hopefully I give you something and you can decide if you want to act or not act on it. It's, it just comes down to your game, because your game is a little different. I think everybody wins. Everybody can win, so it doesn't really matter. If that makes sense. There's so many ways to play the game. Just got to find your way, right? And I got to find my way. My way's not going to be good for other people. Okay. I don't really like that I have a little, we're inside like a 1 minute, little 1 minute gap. There's a bunch down here too. But we're in the bear zone, so we're going to get a lot of retracements. That's why I was just thinking, yeah, I should have just taken that 50. From 21 to 50. That probably would have been a good play. Yep, I'm going to take that if I get it. Mainly because I have a little candle set up that says, yep, take that trade. I was a little late on that. Should have been up there. Oh, something going on. A little action. Okay, coming up to that 60. Little reaction there. I should have played that on my control. I didn't. I'm going to let that play out. There we go. Yep, it's a slow one. All right, another good little trade. Come on. Shooting for like 82, 83, somewhere in there. 84 is going to be on the top of the bear zone. Warning ravine. Oh, come on. Keep going. Just trying to get to the top of the bear zone there. May not get it. Nope. I think we're going up there. Five-minute chart. And we could come down and hit that 755. Yep, I'm right within that window. I'm going to go ahead and take that out here. Nice, Lewis. Got a new 15, so play little games. Come on down. I can do all sorts of things. See if I'm gonna see if I can get it down here at the 5-minute gap fill. But there's only 2 minutes left, so I'm thinking that bus had already sailed. Or if it does come out here, do I even want it? $15-hour. Got 11 minutes left on this guy. See if we can pick up. I'm trying to pick up in this 1 minute gap here. What is that? 21 EMA? Yep. Probably ought to put it on this chart too. Also coincides with the 8 EMA on the 3 minute. So I'll see if I can pick it up at 746. Alright. Wife home today. Come on. Wow. Yeah, that's something. Let me throw a 21 on this one. I put it on, then I end up taking it off, and let's do a little light color. Just a little line. Oops, forgot to put them on each tick. Oh, yes. All right. Oh, got taken out. Son of a gun. Forgot to move my stop on my target. Oops. Hate when that happens. Alright, so 2 minute. You got a nice little... Oh, I wasn't quick enough. You know, a good entry would have been around 63, 64. But we'll see how that plays. I'll try it right there. Probably gonna need a little more of a stop, but I really don't want to give it anymore. So SPX within 1%, huh? Wow. Crazy. Come on, let's get a move up. Let's see. Maybe not. Well, 5 minutes. Looking a little something. 15 minute. Still got another 6 minutes, so we got time. What I worry about is coming back down and continue to fill out this 1 minute gap here. See what happens. I don't have it on. Oops. I need to put that EMA, that 21 on my chart too. All right, everybody have a good weekend. 3 day. Well, it's 3 day for most people. Like I won't be here much longer. I'll probably go till, let's say 10:30. Probably 10:30 might be a good time. All right, just got an upfill on my coffee. Yep. Refill. Coming down to fill up that 1 minute gap, it looks like. And I think that's probably the only 1 minute gap we have. That's also the 5 minute high. Took me right out. All right. Take the loss. Five minutes reversing. 15 minutes just looking ugly. Huh. I'm going to watch this 15. I'll wait for it to close. Got 2 more minutes. And then I might play that. Let's see what it looks like when it comes out. Bahamas. Good morning. You know, we got a nice little move from whatever news that was, or whatever, you know, maybe no news at 5:30, but the market sure took off, went bullish real quick. Minute 22 left on the 15. I'll wait for that. It came down to the 18 and the 3 minute. I worked all weekend on building this little cloud for Ninja. I think it turned out pretty good. Not all weekend, but it took me a few hours. It's a little tricky. So now I'm setting it up for my ATR also. So pretty soon I'll have like a trend, little trend system. I think you guys will like it. It'd be basically like this, and this will be all clouded, kind of like the wealth charts. I don't know if you guys seen the wealth chart champions trend. It'll be very simple as that. Very soon. See, this guy's supposed to change color. I'm not sure why he stopped. He must have done something. Alright, drop back below the 5 minute. 5 minute high. Oh. That's right, we got a new candle on the 15. I was supposed to be playing that. Alright. See how that plays. I'll play it down here to the 1 minute. The 1 minute weighted. If we come up here, I'll pick up another one. It may not get down there. Let's see. One minute gap filled up there at 36 and a quarter. It looks like I'm far away. Far away from what? Oh. How's that? Is that better? Okay. Sorry about that. Yeah, I think I was playing around this weekend. Might have tapped it a few times. Oh, today's Monday, right? Yep. Oh, come on. I was at 14.125, and we got the 14.5, so one tick. Come on, baby. I'm going to have to take that, I think. Can you? I'll just leave it there. Let's see if he can come back down. Come on. Yeah, usually when that's why I always say the date when I come on, because, oh, you turd. What I do is I check my sound when I do that. And it sounded fine when I turned on my speaker on YouTube. Oh, come on. You're going to come up and get me? So you did get within a tick. Now you're going to take me out. Oh. Just might be time to flip this around. Yep. See. Yeah, we still got 8 minutes on the 15, so I don't know if anything's going to happen real fast. Yeah, I don't like the long here. Not yet, anyway. Worked on a website this weekend. So one of the things I'm going to put on a website is a trading journal. So you could go there if you wanted to and record your trades, take them off, download it, CSV file. You can come up here and look at your thing. It'll give you a win rate, things like that. But I thought that'd be cool. I don't know if people use it, but we'll find out. And all the data is stored on your computer, not on mine. So all this data here for me is stayed on my computer on a local. You get a little bit of local memory, and that's where this data will send. But if you clean out your cache or anything like that, it deletes it all. Or you can just download it to a CSV if you want. So, thought I'd throw that out there. You guys like that idea? Anybody? All right, 15 minutes. We got 3 minutes left. That's what I'm watching for. Coming up on session low. Huh? $27. All right, we're at the bottom of the bear zone. So this would be a place to see if it's going to hold here. 720, 719. And if we hold, then we should go back up. We're also at the 1 minute weighted. This is where I wanted my original target. Got kicked out of that trade though. Yep. But anyway, that'll be included on the website. So if people wanted to go there, you can go there and, I don't know, journal away, I guess. Okay, you got to watch, see if we hold here. That's also I think it's R3. Yeah. This is also R3. So, right there. R2 is 676. So, somewhere around here. Which might make sense. 5 minute gap, we came down and hit the top of it. Well, pretty close. Didn't quite get it. Try a little long here. I mean, if they're going to hold it, this is where they're going to hold it. 717. So what am I off? 7 points. All right, the 15 minute doesn't look so good now that I look at it. Look at the 15. I mean, that doesn't beg me to, it's going to go up type of deal. It tells me we're still going to go down. So I might just reverse that. Bring my stop up and say, you know, I'll just take the reversal here. See if I can catch a low. For the most part, it looks like all the, well, we do have one big 1 minute gap up here. Oops. A little bit higher, come on. Took one off there. Where are we going to go? That's always a question, right? Oh, you guys can't see my trades, huh? Sorry about that. You missed all that. All that fun and games. I like to move up. I'm going to take we're at the 1 minute weighted right now. Yeah. I might have waited to see what this is, how this was going to play out. Let's look at the 5 minute. 5 minute looks like a potential reversal candle, so I might take one off just to limit my risk here. See if we can come down for a few points. Come on, let's come down at least 707, 708. Got 45 seconds. I just don't want to get back above that 1 minute weighted because we're in a up that 1 minute weighted is in the upside, going up, right? So those are the kind of moves. Just like on the downside, we look for a cross back above it. Come on, get back down there. Oh. Should have taken the 2 points. Come on. There we go. There we go. Oh, hell, there we go. I'll take that. Okay, nice little move down. Making new lows. Beautiful. Below the 1 minute weighted. And let me get back to the 15. All right. I'll take one off of VWAP there. See if we can get down there. We can come all the way back up right now. So I'm going to protect a little bit. I'll protect at 701. Pick up 10. Lock in 10, I should say. Should have added 2 there. But come down to the bottom of this box here at 676, which is the 38.2 plus some. Yeah, I don't think that'll be a problem. Got some good sell signals on wealth charts. So we got down below the 1 minute weighted, so now VWAP's the next target. You know, really we got this gap here too, so this might be a good place for us to go. That's 100 points there. What does that look like here? All right, I kind of like it now even more. See if we can hold off to there. Don't know if we can. Now we got this little 1 minute gap here, Phil. I should have this done by tomorrow where this ATR is filled out. Give you a nice little trend. I think I'm going to like that. I'm going to do it tonight. I should be able to do it tonight. Yeah, exactly. And we're in one right now. Well, we already cleaned it out, so it's cleared. We got another little guy right here. It's just a little guy. Sometimes those are the powerful ones, though. And we got a bunch down here. So I was hoping if we can get down here, 5 minute. Plus, that's also the 70.2 area, right? Right here at right around 609. So I'll give that a shot. Worst thing that's going to happen is it'll come back and take me out. I mean, I locked in 10. I've got 30 or close to 50 right here. So I'll be giving up 30. Let's see. But I don't really have much else to go on right here. All right, the good news is the 5 minute gap is right there, so we already filled it. We do have a 1 minute gap up there. Come on, get new lows. Let's see, 25 points, huh? No, I mean, it's at least it's consistent. And that's really all I look for. You know, if the market behaves itself and runs the way I think it should, but no, really, if it follows fair value gaps, if it follows Fibonacci's, you know, and it has some order to it, then, you know, it's something you can read and then play off of. But if it's just crazy and doesn't do anything, then I mean, you know, does wacky shit. I mean, and you get some wild candles. That's the tough part. All right, well, I'm going to at least lock in 15 or close to it. That's what these lines are. Tells me points. I mean, the reality is I'll probably get taken out because we're going to probably go up to this fair value gap up ahead. So, well, we didn't get it. Okay, I lied. That's the 25-point marker right there. And then I've got a 40-point marker. And then 50 down here. There we go. Oh. All right, 15 minutes still looks good. Got 39 seconds left. A 5 minute. I wish the 5 minute would be colored all the way red, all the way down. Would be a good one. But these wicks, stuff like that, it's leaving. It's easy to just spike right back up or reverse. So. Especially when you get a candle like that. All right, we got a new 15. Oh. Don't like that big wick. That was a bummer. Little 10-pointer. Now if it stays down, that'd be great. But what we did is filled that 5 minute, this box here out. So we closed this gap. So I can remove that. That's why I don't like that wick, because we wick down below it and then pop back up. So it could be that we just took out that fair value gap there. So I'm going to continue to move my stop down. We just filled the 1 minute gap. We have another 1 minute gap above us. Not only right here, but right there. That's the one I really don't want to go back up and get. So this is a average true range trailing stop. So if we do bounce up and this thing gets below price, and that's longs, right? So right now we're in shorts because we're below it. Yeah, bouncing out of that 5-minute box. Hopefully we don't bounce out of it. What's that number? 722. I locked in 20 points there. All right, now I'm out. So if we get back above 97, could get a little pump up. The bottom of that box is 99. Slow day today, very slow. And I'm also a little quieter today. No. It's short at 93. I'll give that a shot. Let's see what happens. Yeah, not bad. We got a cross on the 3 minute, 8:18, right about there. This was just a little channel we were in this morning. Yeah. Here's the channel we were in this morning. So I'm going to delete that, even though that'll probably be a good place where we're going to bounce at. Maybe I'll just leave that one in there. Huh. And the question now is if we have any follow through to the downside. Ooh. 5 minute? What are you looking like? Oh, just looking like flat. Looking like we're not going anywhere. That's what that looks like. 5, 10, 15. This will be 20 minutes. Just kind of a little sideways. I got a small stop, so 6 points take me out. Might just be that type of the rest of the day. Them suckers. No, maybe not. Good pullback. Good way to take me out. What do I have? 15 minutes. And this will be the time it's going to fill out, if it's going to fill out. Yeah? All right, we'll let that play out. 15-minute time frame. I love playing the 15. 5 used to be my favorite, but they started doing too much bullshit. Like this one right here, this candle going above this candle. They didn't follow the rules. 15, you get more rule followers. Uh-oh, hold on. Whoa. All right, come on down to VWAP. I'll probably bring my stop down and put it right there just to protect against the big bounce. Oops, couldn't get it. Oh, shit. Well, wasn't quite quick enough. Missed my grabbing my stop down there. That's all right. I'll look to re-enter right here. Still, it was a good little play. We'll let this candle go out. 20 seconds left, 16. See if we can get the next one to come in, maybe come up a little bit. Hey! Josh Brolin, how I became a day trader. You guys have a good weekend? Anybody do anything exciting? Nothing? Come on, Bahamas. I know you did something exciting. Oh man, I remember those days. I bought my son's playing football, and even not so much baseball, but football. They would. I bought this little, like, wasn't a tent, but it was just like this little. I don't know. It's almost like a phone booth, right? You can sit inside there. Everybody was laughing at me, but yeah, I think I had the last laugh, man. I think because I was always warmer than everybody else. Didn't matter if it rained or wind picked up. I was just nice and cozy inside there. Had a clear front, so I could still see what was going on. Had my little chair put inside there. Had hand warmers. Oh yeah. All right, we're at the 50% there. We're kind of holding. Let me put this guy all charts for right now. Uh-oh, I got kicked. I got hit. Don't take me out now. Damn it. I won't be happy about that. Okay, I'll put this guy down here. Let's see if I can get 10 off on here on the first one. Hey, Lewis, man, I'll tell you what, though, man, I was warm. I didn't care. Everybody else out there shivering and everything, man, I was just like, oh, it's nice and toasty in here. Well, I can't say I really like this candle with 40 seconds left. I'm hoping if we can come down a little bit, I'll take one off. Not with five, I don't like that 5 minute, that's for sure. Come on, baby, get on down there. Give me some room. 1 minute came up to the 21. Exactly. Exactly. Oh, I'm going to get taken out here. You're going to be removing me of some money. Oh, damn it. Gotta respect that 5 minute. What time is it? You telling me we broke down through that IB 677. That was just a quick 35 points. Damn it. I thought about playing IB, so the initial balance there at 677, I was going to put 3 contracts right there and just let them go off. And sure enough, it went to 35. I would have got all 3. Darn it. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. Yeah, exactly. Which chart? Is there a shadow? Yeah, I don't have any Bollinger Bands on my charts. Okay, so here's the 1 minute. The 2 minute. The 3 minute. Maybe this one? Yeah. No, it's the it's just a cloud. I built this over the weekend. It's this is the 818 system, um, meaning it's just the 8 EMA and the 18 EMA. And when we're above it, it's green, and when we cross and get below it, it's red. It took me like almost 10 hours to code this up. Probably should have taken a few hours, but sometimes my brain doesn't think right. But it's just a moving average cloud system. It looks pretty good, huh? Yeah, I haven't seen one. So I've seen a clouded one that it turns gray inside here, but no, I haven't seen one that colors yet. I used to look all the time. So I just made my own this weekend. That's why I'm saying wait for I get this ATR. So this by tonight, I'm hoping tonight, I'm going to cloud this in from here to close, price close. So this will be like red. It'll be a red shadow all along here until we get above it, above, well, it's 692 now, and then it will turn to green. So I'm getting there. Anyway, we held the 50%. We're holding the 38.2. In my normal days, I would say, what's that, 86? I'd like it a little bit higher. I wasn't quite quick enough. But as long as we respect this 38.2, then we'll continue to come down. What code is that? A code that does that on the 1 minute, or like average true range? I think this one will be really cool. Let me delete that right now. We don't need it. Oh, maybe we're going to come up there and take care of that. I don't know. All right, looks like we're the longest zone. Where's the 15? Not yet. But we got 3 good sized green candles on the 5 minute. That's looking pretty good. Yep. You got that one? What do you got? Oh. Oops. Yeah, we see we're still respecting that 38.2. I didn't like it how 86 to 91, so that's 5 points. It's not bad. I'll try one more time. got a minute 19 on the 15, which I'm not real fond of. Can't fill the 81. There's 81. Okay, new 15. So if we get above 892, we're in a long. I really don't know if I want to take that yet, but see what happens. Here we go. Get above 92, 93. Took one off. We'll let that one play out. We're going to fill that 1 minute gap and then have to see what kind of action we get. But that'll also push us above 700, so we're going into a buy zone. Beautiful. Okay, kind of flattening out here. Get a flat top going. And close out that 1 minute gap up here at 7:09.25. See if we can push it up. But we're really slowing down for the most part. I mean, you got this nice little move here, but yeah, 14, 15 points. Oh, come on now. Guess we're going to try to fill this gap here. So probably going to take me out. Oh. Come on now. There we go. got something here at 713. What is that? Open range indicator. Open range. I don't know what that is. Come on, let's get a move up. Let's get to 17. Ah, took both of them out. You sucker fish. Thought we were going to cruise on up there, but we rejected at the top of that 1 minute gap. Nope, 5 minute. Old 5 minute gap. That was something. Going from gap fill to gap fill, I guess. $50-50 chance. Well, actually it's 33 1/3 because I was going to ask, do we go up or down? But you actually could say up, down, or sideways. 1, 2, or 3. Up, down, or sideways. I'm going to say up. What time is it? 11:15. It's a very scientific poll. Yep. I'm going to try one more time. $6.90 would have been much better, but oh well. There we go. There's one. That's 50 points up for number 2. I have my ATM set for 10 and 50. Not that that's where I think we're going to go. It's just the way the ATM worked out. But so far we stopped off at the 50, took a little break. Now we're going to bust up. And how high will we go? Good question. I'm glad you asked. Well, either 720, well, 50% is right here, so we could be done right now. It's either 710, which I'm glad I took one off, 725, 738, or 749. I'm hoping for the latter. So 5 minute. We got any gaps to fill? Well, we're in this big sell gap right here, right now. Nope, we're not. 5 minute. That one's closed. This one's nothing. This one's nothing. That one's nothing. This one's nothing. Nope. I mean, there's a 1 minute gap way up here. Also a little 5 minute gap. Which is exactly what I'd like to see filled out right there. The range rider indicator shades the area between the ATR and the close of the bar. What? Gosh, damn it. I never thought about searching for it. The range rider. Range rider that measures market volatility based on a quantity of two volatility levels. The 2-day ATR and the 7-day is used to relate two true ranges. The range rider indicator. Son of a bitch. Oh, here I can throw a link in the chat if anybody wants it. Oh, for MT4. What is that? Do you have one for Ninja? What do you have it for? It's a range rider. Why would they call it a range rider? Trading bots. Oh, wow. So it allows the user to see a period of reduction in the range of price changes, which increases the likelihood of future enlargement of daily ranges. The indicator uses smooth algorithms, MPH, da-da-da-da-da. Well, I'd be interested in seeing that. The range rider indicator. Huh. Yeah, there it is. Thank you for that. You may have saved me a lot of time and effort. Potential dangerous download. Ooh. Yeah. The range rider. All right. We're back, trying to hit back above that 600-700 area again. I think one of these might take off. Yep, I see it. Thank you. I was going to try to, let me see if I can install it real quick. I didn't even know there was such a thing. Looks like it was a Forex. Here, let me. Here we go. Tools, import. One more time. See if we can get it. No. No. Okay. Range rider. So you got a fast channel, slow channel, a pivot channel. Oh, there you go. All right, let me look at that for a few. Very interesting. Oh, what happened? I lose one? Yeah, I lose the break-even one. Suckerfish. Or did I get 10 on that? Maybe. Nope, I didn't get 10. Wow. Just about, Lewis. Just about, man. Yeah. I was just gonna go play with that. I was gonna create a new chart, so that would be the only thing on it. Alright, 706, so alright, that would be 40 points roughly. All right, I'll leave that alone. Okay, so now range rider. Boy, we cannot get above this for some reason. I'm not sure why. RS, range rider. pink is what? That's the fast channel. Okay. And the slow. Okay, there you go. Well, it's not quite what I was looking for, other than it does do it from, looks like from the ATR. However, I'm getting colors on both sides, which I only wanted colors on one side. I'll see if I can play with that. But it might be faster to modify this one, if it's available to be modified. I got it pretty close, but I still wasn't able to get just one-sided. Yeah. But it's close. Well, yeah, I already have that with my other one. That's why I've already modified, like this one. I've already modified this. I got this pretty close. I'm really close to just figuring this out so I can get it with my ATR. So I'm really close on using this code. I got this figured out, and then it was just like, okay, now I can, now I can just modify it the way I want it. So I am close. Yeah, I get a little crazy with my, because usually when I want something, I want it, and I want it, you know, I love the aspect of figuring crap out. Once I figure it out, I usually, I'm usually done with it. But when something looks like it's not working, or you know, that just makes me want to double down on it. But here, let me look at the code. Let me see if I can see the code. Range rider. Oh yeah. Do not change it. This namespace holds indicators in this folder. Oh yeah, well yeah, we know that. Alright. Actually, it's not that bad. Somebody did a pretty good job. Oh, it did a draw region too. Huh. Not bad. So really all I need to do, I could probably modify this right now, is here, I'll just take one out right now. Let's see if that works. Yeah, so now all I have to do is change the color. I don't know why it's that color. And have it flip-flop, which should be easy to do. Why is the color magenta? Let me see. Oh, deep pink, that's why. Yeah, see, I would make that all available. Okay. So let's see if I can do this. I'll just figure it out right now. So if close is greater than let's see. So if we're greater than max. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to work. Draw region is a little bit, can get a little sensitive. There's red and green, so I'll do it greater than. Oh no, that one's greater, this will be less than. Alright, trying to hold them this long, see if we can get up there and get on up into the bear zone again. Oh, I got an error. The name Slomax does not exist. Oh, that's right. Capital letter. Nice. Does that mean we pump up now? That's generally what that means. Operator. Yeah, it's not gonna let me do this. I need to do a little flip-flopping on the colors on the brushes. Oh. Oh, so what if I just did... That's a question. Okay, so what is that? Let's try this. Mm-hmm. It's going to be a long, slow trade up, I think. Mm-hmm. Well, I'm testing something out, trying to find something. Okay, didn't like that. So 3. Okay, so we only have 3 running, it looks like. Even though it says 5. So, data loaded. All you're doing is putting in moving averages or add plot. Oh, they're doing shit up here. I didn't go up that high. So what if I did pivot period? That's what it should be. Copy. I mean, you can't really tell I've done anything yet because it looks the same. So I need to find out what. Actually, I'll just put a print statement in. I need to find out what all the values are. Well, hopefully they don't take me out here. So 14 and 12. 7, 12, 16, and 14. Now I need to install my ATR on this. These aren't quite the right numbers for me. But it's interesting. You see, got shaded down on the red, but I haven't been able to get the green to manifest. So I got something, it's not letting me flip-flop between them. I mean, at least it's consistent. So the red's looking good, just the green. And then I want to get rid of this, I would want to get rid of that. Right, and only have like a flip-flop. So once we crossed it here, then this line shows up. Would be in its essence, but I'm not sure what this is. I mean, it's one of the plots, but oh well, give me something to do. I'm not sure if I used my ATR one, because I think I'm almost done. I think I could probably find the inauguration. Swearing in ceremony. It's going to be on every station.
The endurance, the permanence of a nation through change. It allows nations like our United States both to embrace the obstacles and to seize the opportunities God has placed before us, all while staying true to our founding principles. Today is our country's 60th inauguration ceremony. Like all the others before it,
Trump looks like he's ready to,
our right to
he wants to get out of there.
uniquely American force. The past several years have been trying at times for many, many Americans, and also for the nations of the free world that we humbly strive to lead.
He's like, come on.
Americans chose again this
Come on, baby, let's go. Get on up there.
the secure, safe, and prosperous future that our founders envisioned for all of us. And today, we celebrate not only their decision to do so, but also the simple right and wisdom of a free people to make their own choice so that their nation might endure. And now,
Gotta have an update on Inauguration Day, right?
Timothy Dolan and Reverend Franklin Graham, who will deliver our invocation. Please rise. Be still and know that I am God, supreme among the nations, supreme on the earth. Let us pray. Remembering General George Washington on his knees at Valley Forge, recalling Abraham Lincoln at his second inaugural, with malice towards none, with charity for all, with firmness in the right as God gives us to see the right. Remembering General George Patton's instructions to his soldiers as they began the Battle of the Bulge 8 decades ago. Pray. Pray when fighting. Pray alone. Pray with others. Pray by night. Pray by day. Observing the birthday of the Reverend Martin Luther King, who warned, without God, our efforts turn to ashes. We, blessed citizens of this one nation under God, humbled by our claim that in God we trust, gather indeed this inauguration day to pray for our President Donald J. Trump, his family, his advisors, his cabinet, his aspirations, his vice president.
It looks like this 21 EMAs, for the most part, has been holding on. Well, at least since here, since 11. 21, 21, 21, 21. And we dropped a little bit there. It's at the 21 now.
Father, today, as President Donald J. Trump takes the oath of office once again, we come to say thank you, O Lord our God. Father, when Donald Trump's enemies thought he was down and out, you and you alone saved his life and raised him up with strength and power by your mighty hand. We pray for President Trump that you'll watch over, protect, guide, direct him. Give him your wisdom from your throne on high. We ask that you would bless him and that our nation will be blessed through him. We also ask that you would bless and protect Melania as First Lady. We thank you for the beauty, the warmth, and grace that she showed not only to this nation, but to the whole world. We thank you for Vice President-elect J.D. Vance and his wife Lisa and their young family. May he be a strength to President Trump, to stand beside him, to hold up his arms like Aaron held up arms of Moses in the midst of battle. The prophet Samuel reminded the people it was you that brought them up from the land of Egypt. And he said, now stand still, that I may reason with you before the Lord. So, Father, we take this moment to stand still. Remember the great things that you've done for this nation. Thank you for the protection, the bounty, the freedoms, the restored joy.
Come on, what are you guys doing?
And may our hearts be inclined to your voice. We know that America can never be great again if we turn our backs on you. We ask for your help. We pray all of this in the name of the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, and your Son, my Savior, and my Redeemer, Jesus Christ. Amen.
So I probably should have checked this. Huh?
Please welcome the closely accepted count to administer the Vice Presidential oath of
78.6. I'm sorry, 61.8. I don't think it's going down. Looks like a stop on it.
The Vance family there, with their 3 children,
Shoot.
as J.D. Vance prepares to be sworn in.
And repeat after me. I, James David Vance, do solemnly
Missed that 50% by just a little bit.
that I will support and defend the
Yeah, take me out.
Constitution of the United States against
67.
foreign and domestic, against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I take this obligation freely, without any mental reservation, without purpose of evasion, and that I will well and faithfully discharge
Gonna take me. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, me too, man. I'm done. We're gonna close here in 50 minutes anyway. So, all right, tomorrow, bright and early. Oh, ciao. See you guys. Have a good night. Good day off.